Okay, I just thought I'd do a little video. I'm going to show you, I'm making a drill template for drilling GSA containers or GSA safes. So I pulled this up on my computer. I drew out all the positions I wanted the holes drilled at and cut out. And basically this is going to be a template that you can, it's going to be a magnetic template that you stick onto the safe. I'm going to use my laser to cut it out. So I downloaded it into the laser. And now we're just going to hit start. Make sure it's on. There it goes. So basically, I'll let that engrave. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to engrave all of the marks onto the plate, and then the red circles are going to be cutouts. So when I get done, it's going to look like one of my safe drill templates. Now this is a metal one, but what I can do with this magnetic one is once I get it made, I can make me more metal ones out of that. So this is for S&G safes, S&G dials. And here, let me go out in the shop, because I brought in my drill rig for doing safes. And all of my templates, you could buy these templates, but I've made all of my own. So pretty much, these are the steel templates. And you have all these different holes, so you got relocker positions, and then you have drop-in positions also. So you'll have, depending on what kind of lock is on the safe, you're going to mount this template to the safe, and then you can mount your drill rig. But I also have other drill rigs, like magnet drill rigs, vacuum drill rigs, and electromagnetic drill rigs, that you don't use these templates. You just have to mark the safe. And the templates I'm making right now are the type that I'm going to use for that. Or if you're using the cheaper arm drill rigs that you could buy, these templates would be great for that too. So the type of material I'm using is kind of like those magnetic signs that you put on vehicles. So right now it's engraving all my positions. And then after it's done, it's going to cut out the magnet and all of the holes, hopefully, if that works correctly. And let's see here. Go back out to the shop here real quick while that's finishing up. And I do have a safe right now with the dial off. So pretty much what you do is you remove the dial from the safe, and then you take out, like if it's electronic, you're going to take out these studs. And then what you're left with is holes in the safe where the dial would mount. Well, you are going to use these holes to line up the magnetic drill template. And then once it's lined up, it's going to give you your positions for, so whatever brand safe you're doing. Let's say you're doing a Lagarde, okay? So you would stick the Lagarde magnetic template on here. And then what I normally do is once I stick it on there, I'd mark the spot with a Sharpie, and then I'd pull the magnetic template off and I'd stick my electromagnetic drill press on there, or my magnet rig or my vacuum rig, just depending on what kind of rig you have. I have everything. But what you do is you'll have a whole set of these templates. I'm just kind of showing you what I do, and then I have these templates saved on my computer so I can reproduce them for all the different vans I have. Let's see what it's doing right now. Okay, so right now it's cutting out all the holes on the magnet material. And now it's cutting out the template itself. Hopefully I have it set strong enough that it actually cuts the template out and not cuts part way through. Let it finish up here and we'll give it a check. I have it set right now on 30% power. I'm not sure. I'm kind of experimenting. I haven't made magnetic templates before. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that works nice. See how it cuts it out? Okay. So then we're going to take this template that we made, and we're going to knock out all those little holes, just like that. It's fall right out. Okay, so now this is made out of the magnetic material like signs are on a van. So let's say we're doing a GSA container. You could have a whole set of these if you're doing a GSA container, or a whole set of them for all your safes. And all you do is you're just going to walk up to your safe and you're going to stick this template on there. Oh, let's see if I'm zoomed in. You see how you line it up with the holes where the safe is. Just line it up perfect. Okay, so now I'll get down here so you can see it better. Okay, so then you're just going to line this thing up just about like that. Okay, so now you got it lined up with all your holes. And now it gives you your drill points for the GSA container. It gives you your relocker position. So at this point, what you do is you just mark your positions that you're drilling out. Now you wouldn't drill out your relocker unless someone tried to force open the safe. You're going to drill in your drop-in position right here. But then you got all these different holes. Now, see these little tiny holes I got on template? What these are for is if you want to make up your own steel template for a bolt-on drill rig. So I put the little holes in here so you know where to drill, to tap, to put your drill rig. So anyways, I just thought I'd show you my magnetic templates. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make up an entire set. So all the different brands of safes, and you have these little magnetic templates that go into like a CD case. So you have a CD case with all of your drill templates for all the different brand safes. So it makes it easy for a locksmith to say, oh, GSA container, or oh, Lagarde, that's 2360, or S&G, or AMSAC, or D-Bolt. You know, you'll have all of them. And you can carry them in a little carrying case. I don't know. If these interest anybody, let me know in the comments. It was just an idea I had. I could show you what oh no, I don't have it before. What I used to do is I would get a business card and I would stick it to a magnet and I'd mark my holes on the magnet on the back of the business card. This is just so much cleaner. And like this is a different one, but this gives you an idea. If you wanted to make up a steel template, if you have a drill rig like this and you don't want to buy it, once you got this magnetic template, all you're going to do is lay it down on your blank piece of steel, okay? And then you're just going to get a Sharpie, mark all your spots, and then pull it off and go to your drill press and drill all your holes, and then your mounting screws you'll tap. But anyways, this is just a little project I was doing. I thought I'd show you guys. This is for GSA containers. But you could I could make them for any type of safe. And anyways, I thought I'd show you guys. I have right now, I have like 26 different templates saved onto my computer. But heck, if these interest anybody or you're a locksmith and need a set of something like this, let me know. I might be able to hook you up. All right, signing off.